The Commouter 5000 psi electric pressure washer is a robust cleaning tool equipped with a powerful 2,000-watt motor, ensuring it can tackle even the toughest grime. Featuring a 33-foot hose with metal connectors, this pressure washer is designed to prevent leaks and withstand high pressure, providing a reliable cleaning experience. With its versatile design, it includes 5 quick connect nozzles for different cleaning tasks, along with a 500 milliliter detergent tank to enhance cleaning efficiency. The Total Stop system ensures energy efficiency and safety by automatically shutting off the washer when not in use, which prolongs the equipment's lifespan. Designed with user safety in mind, the pressure washer includes a 20-foot power cord and a spray gun with a safety lock, along with an IPX5 waterproof rating. Additional high-quality accessories, such as a metal lance, cleaning pin, and welcome guide, make the Commouter pressure washer a comprehensive tool for any cleaning job.